In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the world of Blue Yonder. Blue Yonder is a software company that plays a crucial role in helping businesses enhance their supply chain operations. Now, you might wonder, why is this important? Imagine the colossal task of ensuring products are in the right place at the right time, all without wasting resources. This is where Blue Yonder steps in. Its tools are designed to assist companies in tracking and managing inventory with precision, predicting customer demand effectively, planning product shipments and deliveries seamlessly, and running warehouses more efficiently. Perhaps most intriguingly, Blue Yonder harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and data to automate supply chain decisions, making processes more intelligent and streamlined. Many large retailers, manufacturers, and delivery companies rely on Blue Yonder. They do this to maintain a delicate balance, ensuring that customer needs are met promptly while avoiding unnecessary expenses or stock shortages. In essence, Blue Yonder supports businesses in optimizing every step of their supply chain, contributing to better overall efficiency and customer satisfaction. It's important to clear up a common point of confusion. Blue Yonder, the software we're discussing today, should not be confused with Blue Yonder Email, a now somewhat dated email service formerly offered by Virgin Media in the UK. So, to clarify, Blue Yonder is business software dedicated to logistics and supply chains, while Blue Yonder Email relates to an old email service. Understanding the functionality and benefits of Blue Yonder is crucial for businesses that are keen on staying ahead in today's fast-paced market. Its comprehensive suite of tools is designed to anticipate challenges and solve them across various supply chain stages. By forecasting demand accurately, companies can minimize excess stock and reduce costs tied up in unsold inventory. Simultaneously, efficient management and timely delivery ensure that products reach consumers without delay, directly promoting satisfaction and loyalty. Blue Yonder also empowers warehouse operations by optimizing space and resources, allowing businesses to run more smoothly and with minimal disruptions. The automated decision-making capabilities provided by AI means less time spent on analytic tasks and more time dedicated to strategic moves that can propel a business forward. By integrating these solutions, businesses gain a significant competitive edge in both maintaining operational efficiency and enhancing their service quality. In summary, Blue Yonder is transforming how companies approach supply chain management. It offers not just tools, but a suite of intelligent solutions that cater to modern-day logistical challenges, making it an invaluable ally for companies aiming to thrive in a dynamic commercial landscape. Whether you're directly involved with supply chains or simply curious about innovative business solutions, understanding Blue Yonder is sure to offer valuable insights. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of what Blue Yonder is all about.